Math used in table tennis. Table tennis, a sport of speed, precision, and strategy, involves mathematical principles that enhance gameplay and player performance. Let's explore the role of math in table tennis. Table tennis uses math in angles and spin. Players use geometry to calculate angles for shots and spins, optimizing the ball's trajectory and making it harder for opponents to return. Speed and reaction time. The ball travels at high speeds, requiring quick calculations to determine timing and placement. Reaction time is analyzed using equations of motion and physics principles. Table dimensions and positioning. The layout of the table and the position of players involve geometric concepts, ensuring optimal strategies and fair play. Game statistics. Metrics like shot accuracy, rally length, and win percentages rely on arithmetic and data analysis to evaluate performance. Force and momentum. The force applied to the paddle and its impact on the ball's momentum involve calculations to enhance shot precision. Mathematical principles applied, geometry for angles and spin, physics for speed and momentum, data analysis for performance metrics. Math ensures precision and strategy in table tennis, making it a sport of skill and calculation.